Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It is me, Artist King here, and it's been a while since I've had anything to say. I normally just play and let you watch what I've done, but today I decided I just want to talk with you guys, just check in for a minute. I just wanted to ask the question, how are you guys coping right now with everything that's been taking place in the world today? I just want to do a quick check-in and see how you guys have been doing. I know it's so many things going on right now that I feel sometimes like they're a distraction. You know, they keep us distracted, keep us from working towards our goal, from being the people that God created us to be. There's so many things that have us doubting ourselves, doubting who we are, doubting decisions that we've made. We're afraid to speak up because we don't want to offend. Because it's like we live in a society now where everything you say, somebody gets offended. Either they don't like what you say, or you use a wrong term that you probably shouldn't have used, or it could be anything. Sometimes you're just going about your business and you might be having a moment and you say something and it offends somebody, and next thing you know, you're in trouble. If you're in your job, you could be getting written up, you could be having to take some kind of sensitivity class. So it's almost like we live in a world now where it's not always safe to speak up. It's not always safe to say how you feel, or to express to someone else how you might feel, because that's another thing. People listen to what you say and they go back and they relate the story, and it's never what you said, because of course they want it to sound a little bit more salacious. So they might add to it or change around what you said, and next thing you know, you're in trouble and you're not sure how you've gotten there. But I don't know, I think my birthday is this coming week. Well, my birthday, by the time I post this, my birthday would have already gone. And I feel like I am getting into a different place. Like I'm not the person that I was 5 years ago, or even a year ago, because things are changing so much around me, and I have to make adjustments if I want to survive in this world. But I still say every day, I thank God for my relationship with him, because that is what keeps me, that is what sustains me, that is what keeps me from doing and saying things that I will probably regret, or I really have no business saying. So I thank God every day for his Holy Spirit that keeps me in check, that stops me when I'm about to say something or do something that I shouldn't be doing. So I thank God for my relationship with him, and I pray, guys, that you guys out there, whether you believe in God or not, that you have some way of coping when life happens. Because trust me, if you live long enough, life will happen. It will keep happening. So, I just wanted to come and encourage you guys today to keep on believing, keep on trusting, and keep on doing what you need to do to keep yourself where you need to be, or to keep yourself safe, I would say. So anyway, I did get discouraged a little bit with my videos, but I'm trying to get back on track. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, turn on your notifications, all the things that you're supposed to do when you subscribe into a channel. So some of you, I haven't seen comments or anything from you, but I always welcome comments. And I am only posting on a Friday now. I think I was getting burnt out and overwhelmed trying to do 2 videos a week. So I will only be doing 1 video on Friday. If I feel like something else, I might do another one during the week, but for the most part, it will be on Friday. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the notification buttons and stuff. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Okay? All right. Bye now.